Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download offline maps on the Google Maps application, meaning that you will have access to these even when you don't have any Wi-Fi connection nor any data on your phone. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and click on the profile icon at the top of the screen in the right corner. Tap on offline maps down below and you can either choose this local map, which is a recommended one based on your location, or you can also select your own map by tapping on this button and just simply click on the area that you would like to download and press the button download down below. You can also select this local one and then click on the button download. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.